Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram verification code not receiving issue in 2026. So guys, if you are also facing this issue and you are unable to receive the code, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to App Store or Play Store and search here for Telegram, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Telegram app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection and your mobile service is working properly. So guys, check both of these, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. After this, go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, and tap on time zone and select the time zone and city correctly as well, or turn on the toggle for set automatically as well. So guys, do this, and after this go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here as well. After this, go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it. And after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, go to transfer restart phone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time as well. Simply restart your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.